In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to go ahead and leave the game. You can't actually do this while you're in the game. So select the little icon up in the top left, the Roblox icon, hit leave and then hit leave again. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and get on the game page itself and essentially just scroll down and you're looking for the little servers tab on here. Go ahead and select it and then you're going to see the option to create a private server. Now it is 35 Robux, so keep that in mind. Some games are going to be free, some games are going to just cost Robux. Select it, purchase it, and then of course from here hit refresh and you'll be able to access that private server from here. The game really is as simple as that. That's how you can create a private server. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.